Hello car guys, good morning again. This is also the start brace. The Fitment universal type fits to all car, especially with high quality materials, the aluminium bars and stainless steel nut and bolts. The coupling point actually made by aluminium and stainless steel asses, and with high quality materials. It's so this is called the strut bar. As you can see on the video, painted and coated, and the super quality, lightweight, high performance materials, high performance car parts like strut bar, strut brace, control bar or safety bar. So what's the facilities to install the strut brace onto the car? You can go to the Google, you can find the Google what's the benefit of strut brace. So you can find all the details, all the answers, all the questions answers to the Google. So yeah, go to the Google and see the strut bars facilities, what is the benefits, so you know guys everything. So thanks for today, thank you so much. This is my strut brace. If you like interested with my product, you can go to my link below and you can collect one for yourself. It's up to you guys. Thank you so much, and I'll be back with my next product. Enjoy the strut bars onto your car. Have a nice ride guys, have a performance drive. Bye.